Welcome back to another random review and how-to. We're with the dryer again. I want to talk real fast about your Lint dryer screen. If you're having trouble getting this to go in, it's not going down all the way, and you keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and then the door hits it and it slams open. Easy solution. Pull it out, and then down inside, you can see there's a lot of lint that starts to form down here. This is actually what I pulled out. I just got a screwdriver. It came out as one big piece. That was under there, so it was preventing the screen from going in, which now I can just drop the screen in. It goes nice and flat. So all you got to do is get something long, coat hanger, long screwdriver, fork, knife, whatever. Stick it down in there and scrape, and then just get a piece of it and pull it up, and you should end up with something looking like that. So hope that helps you out. I know it's a pain point for anyone that does the laundry around here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.